Good morning, students. Open your book on page number 64. Today we will study about prepositions and conjunctions. You must have already studied about prepositions and conjunctions in the lower primary classes. Now, what is preposition? Words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence is called preposition. Now, what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. And what is pronoun? Pronoun is used instead of noun. Every time we will not call out the name of the person, we will use he, she, it instead of the name of a person, and that is called pronoun. For example, I happily sat in a corner. They all looked at him. Now, in, from, over, under, below, besides, for, at, by, of, out, on, through, and with are some common prepositions. Now, students, you will understand it better when you attempt the exercise given in your book. So, all of you pause the video and attempt the exercise, and after completing your work, check the answers with me. A question, complete the sentence with the correct preposition. First one is already done for you. There is some milk dash the fridge. So, you will use the word in. Second one, the cow jumped dash the fence. So the preposition used here will be over. Third one, the toddler sat dash the table. So preposition used here is under. Fourth one, Sanju climbed dash the ladder. Preposition here will be up. Fifth one, he put his hands dash his pockets. Preposition here will be into. Sixth one, the campers sat dash the bonfire and sang songs. Preposition will be around. Seventh one, the files are dash the top shelves. So preposition here is at. Number 8, there is a long queue of people dash the passport office. Preposition here is outside. Number 9, Thrissur is dash the Kochi International Airport. So the preposition here is near. 10th one, we will travel dash Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh to reach Delhi. Preposition here is through. Now we will do the B exercise. Take the correct prepositions. First one, the pot is dash the stove. So it is already done for you, on the stove. Second one, Sumit plays dash his friends. So preposition will be with. Third one, the owl is sitting dash a branch. So it will be on a branch. Fourth one, do they always travel dash air? So by air. Number 5, the assembly starts dash 9 a.m. So here we will use the preposition at. 6, the kite was high dash the trees. So preposition used here will be above. 7th one, the nurse stood dash the doctor. So preposition here will be behind. 8th one, did you share the chocolates dash your friends? So here the preposition used is with. Now we come to exercise C. Rewrite the sentence with the opposites of the underlined prepositions. First one is already done for you. They came to India. So they came from India. Opposite word used is from. Park your car outside the gate. So outside is the preposition. What will be the opposite? Inside. They parked the car inside the gate. Number 3, some students are going up the stairs. Now opposite of up will be down. So some students are going down the stairs. Number 4, the actor walked out of the hotel. So opposite of out of is into. So we will use the sentence as the actor walked into the hotel. Number 5, only children above 10 years are allowed entry. So above, opposite of above is below. So only children below 10 years are allowed entry. Now we come to conjunctions. Words that join other words or groups of words or a sentence are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are also called joining words. They are used to join two sentences. Like for example, I enjoy reading and playing. Alice did not like the book because it did not have any pictures. He was tired, so he slept. They left early, but they missed the train. Some commonly used conjunctions are and, or, but, if, because, so, since, unless, until, till, through, although, and yet. So students, you have to remember these words which are used as conjunctions. And now again do the exercise so you will understand how to apply these words. Now the first one is fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. First one, Anup liked the shirt. Dash, he did not buy it. It is already done for you. The word, the conjunction they have used is but. Second one, the child laughed because he was very happy. Third one, Sarika wants to buy sharpeners and erasers. Fourth one, remember to take photographs if you see a deer. Fifth one, they were late because they were caught in traffic. Sixth one, would you like some tea or coffee? Seventh one, she goes to bed early, but she does not wake up early. Now we come to the exercise on page number 67. Join these sentences pairs with conjunctions. So they have given you two sentences. You have to join them using a conjunction. So the first one is already done for you. Nutan went to the beach. She did not go near the water. So you will join this sentence using the conjunction but. Nutan went to the beach but she did not go near the water. Second one is you are my friend. I will always help you. So here you will use the conjunction so. You are my friend, so I will always help you. Third one, Anish will forgive you. You must apologize to him. So you will use the word if. So Anish will forgive you if you apologize to him. Fourth one, Donna wants to go to the zoo. She also wants to go to the museum. So here we will use the preposition but. Donna wants to go to the zoo but also wants to go to museum. Fifth one, Suraj did not get Subodh's letter. Subodh forgot to post it. Suraj did not get Subodh's letter because Subodh forgot to post it. Now we come to the last exercise F. Tick the correct conjunction. First one is Anuj was not afraid of the test. Option given is because or but. He was very well prepared. So we will use the word because. Second one, mother opened the door. Option given are but and if. Allowed the shivering puppy to come inside. So we will use the conjunction and. Third one, I have brought the maths homework. Option given is yet, but, because. I forgot to bring the Hindi homework. So we will use the option but. Fourth one, people have started wearing warm clothes. Option given is although or and. It is not yet cold. So we will choose the option although. Fifth one, put the key in the keyhole. Option given are and, because, yet. Turn it twice clockwise. So you will use the conjunction and. Sixth one, I have travelled this road many times. Option given is yet or since. I don't remember any of the shops and signboards. So you will choose the conjunction yet. Seventh one, the film is quite long. Option given is But because although you won't get bored even for a second, so you will choose the conjunction but. Now students, all of you check your answers. Those who have not completed, please complete all these exercise and learn it for your exam, and study regularly with me English, SST, GK and value education. You don't have many days left for your final exam. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politics.